Hi there, students. To rebound. On the rebound. So a noun and a verb. To rebound as a verb and the rebound as a noun. Okay, to rebound is to bounce back after hitting something or colliding with something. So I threw the ball at the ground, and as it was made of rubber, it rebounded and came back up again. Or to recover as from a disappointment or from a problem. So he rebounded after a period of illness. Or to rebound after a relationship has broken up. So a relationship breaks up, and then you suddenly have a relationship with the first person who comes round on the rebound. Okay, to have a rebound relationship. Okay, so to rebound, to bounce back after hitting a hard surface. The ball rebounded and hit me on the nose. If an action rebounds on you, it doesn't do what you expected, but it actually has an unpleasant effect on you instead of doing what you hoped it would do. So his violence rebounded on him and he was treated very violently. Or the way we are treating our planet, our environment, will rebound on us and will have unpleasant effects for us. So it will rebound, it will bounce back and hurt us. Or a price can fall and fall and fall, and then it can rebound. Or the temperatures have dropped over the last couple of days, but they're going to rebound, go back in tomorrow. To rebound, this is an exercise on a rebounder, something like a trampoline. To rebound, you jump on it and you do various exercises with it. Okay, so on the rebound, the ball, I hit the ball on the rebound after it had rebounded against the wall. In basketball, rebounds are very important. I shoot at the basket, but I miss, and if a player from the opposition gets the ball, that's a rebound. But particularly in basketball, because this is a turnover of possession, I didn't score on a rebound. Or a rebound when you get the ball back after you've attempted to score but have been unable. The ball rebounded off the post and I headed it into the net. Okay, so to rebound, to go back to an original condition, to get back. So as I get older, I find it much harder to rebound from illnesses. That's the idea of bounce back. But normally rebound, to bounce away from a hard surface. The musician is on the rebound after various unsuccessful pieces of music. A price or a share price rebounds; it goes back to the value it was. An economy can go down and down and down, and then maybe it rebounds; it goes backwards. Tourism is on the rebound after lockdown caused everybody to stay at home. Confidence is on the rebound. Confidence is rebounding. Sales are on the rebound from something. So in economics, a rebound is an improvement after problems. a strong rebound, a significant rebound, an economic rebound. Something that's on the rebound is increasing after being low or not very good. Okay, so if somebody's on the rebound, they've had an unhappy relationship that's broken up, and then they have a new relationship with someone else. The week after she broke up with her boyfriend, she found a new one on the rebound, but that normally doesn't work. So to bounce back, to rebound. Notice as well, you bind a book, so the binding of a book. Well, if you have to repeat it, then the book was rebound several years ago, to rebind, but that's a different one. Okay, so to rebound, to recover in value, to bounce back after hitting something hard, to spring back, to recover from a setback, to recover from frustration. Okay, a rebound in prices. So if something rebounds from a solid surface, it springs back. The glass rebounded from the surface. I thought it was going to smash. If a situation rebounds on you, it has an unpleasant effect for you, particularly when this was intended for somebody else. Something that backfires, it misfires, it comes back on you. So, to rebound, to bounce, to recoil, to spring back. Okay, the recent rebound in mortgage rates could end the housing recovery. I caught the ball on the rebound. The evil things he has done will rebound on him. There are signs of an economic rebound. He headed the rebound into the net. The housing market seems to be on the rebound. Bad deeds as well as good deeds may rebound on you. That's karma. Okay, so to rebound, formality 5.5, and then as to origin, it comes from French rebondir, I guess, and bondir to bounce, so to bounce back. So rebound.